Most satisfying factory machines and ingenious tools. Amazing machines operating at an insane level. Welcome back to Beyond the Blade. Today we're ditching disaster for pure satisfaction. Machines so smooth and safe, they make humans look like they're buffering. From ice cream robots to metal bending magic, this is engineering at full flex. Let's get into it. Didn't know what I was expecting, but certainly not that. I would be careful with my fingers around that. Okay, but how's every part of this thing so perfectly in sync? Now that's what I call efficiency. This machine makes planting look effortless. It's giving omelet prep on autopilot. That's insane. It's like this machine's got a PhD in slicing meat perfectly. Talk about teamwork. This machine does the hard part while they just step in and pack it all up. Smooth. Ever wondered how these were made? You're welcome. So no more stinging onion tears? Awesome. Give me 1 or 5. And it just keeps going. That's going to be one very deep hole. It's like watching a perfectly coordinated dance routine. Every machine doing its part in sync. Talk about team effort. Who knew folding could be so satisfying? You know it's serious when even the blades are getting sliced with this much precision. This looks less like manufacturing and more like sorcery with extra steps. Bent? Not for long. This machine's got zero tolerance for attitude. This ain't your grandma's scissors. This thing's slicing branches like they owe it money. Okay, that's wild. 1 second it's flat, the next it's a perfect bracelet. Talk about magic in motion. This machine's moving bottles faster than a bartender on a Friday night. It's like watching your childhood dreams come true. Dipping ice cream in chocolate, but way more efficient. Well, that was oddly satisfying. I can't help but wonder how many miles of this thing the machine cranks out a day. I don't even know what it's making, but it's so fast I'm starting to believe it might be too efficient. I think it's safe to say this machine is giving that metal a total makeover. Feels like I got a brain massage just by watching that. So satisfying. This machine's got the ultimate tree transplanting technique. Just yank them out and drop them in a new spot. It's like watching the world's most coordinated ice cream factory. One wrong move and we're all going home without dessert. Those shavings look like they're gonna hit me right in the face. Guess I should have worn goggles. So this is how candy gets made. Now I kinda wanna skip the machine and go straight for the finished product. Who knew flaming feathers could be this relaxing to watch? You know how people say, measure twice, cut once? This machine's over here measuring 1,000 times and cutting once perfectly. But hey, while you're watching perfection in action, why not hit that subscribe button? We'll keep the smooth moves coming. No sweat. I'm just here wondering if these robots ever fight over who gets to do the fun part. This tool just turned backbreaking farm work into a walk in the park. Ice cream served automatically? Now that's the kind of future I can get behind. That's one way to paint gloves, don't you think? So robots are pouring wine now? What's next? Will they start judging my wine glass choice? No more reloading nails every few seconds. This tool's making my DIY projects look like a breeze. Perfect lines, zero effort. This machine's got better handwriting than I do. That bend is smoother than my last apology text. That machine just sliced through those iron rods like it was warm butter on a summer day. One second they're there, next second, poof, we'd be gone on steroids. If this machine was any smoother, I'd think it was making donuts in its sleep. That's gotta be sharper than a two-edged sword. Not sure how much more satisfying this could get. Cans crushed, stacked, and ready to roll. When you've got parts moving like that, it's like watching a well-oiled orchestra perform, except it's weaving cable cases. I didn't know pillows could be squished this much. It's like the ultimate sleepover prep. These cones are living their best life, getting filled, dipped, and treated like royalty, all in perfect sync. This machine's peeling that watermelon like it's carving fine art. Impressive. The way this machine slices through paper is oddly satisfying. that are absolute perfection. The way this taffy stretches is almost hypnotic. And then the food coloring, perfection. So that's how plastic chairs are made. In perfect rhythm. Effortless steel cutting, this machine's in its villain era. This machine's got precision down to a notch, literally. It's amazing how this machine lines up the nuts so neatly, nothing out of place. The way it's threading that brush, chef's kiss. It's like a nail printer, but angry. This machine peels potatoes faster than I peel myself off the couch on Monday mornings. Efficient, clean, and way more satisfying than I expected. It's like a barbershop for metal, just with sparks. Who needs handcrafting when this beast is churning out plates like pancakes? There's just something deeply satisfying about seeing a job done with so much precision and detail. Shout out to this team. And that's a wrap. Which machine had you questioning your own job security? Let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to hit like, drop a comment, and smash that subscribe button like it's a faulty gear. Until next time, stay sharp and don't let your tools show you up.